so that you know, Habiba, that in fact it is.
Akiaria hindi ya kigomano gia kiumia kia monanio ma ugendi nyumba-ini ya micemanio ya KICC guku Nairobi mbere ya mambura ma gukungwira muthi wa Jamuhuri muthi wa rucio maria muoroto wamo ni kugacirithia ugendi guku bururi-ini. Mutongoria wa bururi William Ruto ni atamburukitie makinya maria thirikari yake tacukitie hari kugacirithia ugendi na kioneki kiria thirikari iri nakio miaka-ini iguka.
The first thing is to make Kenya safe, to make our national parks, game reserves, and tourist spots safe. And that is why we had to hire men and women to take care of that.
President niugite namba ya agendi no irathie na mbere kiongererekaga kuma agendi milioni 1.5 mwaka-ini wa 2022 na wikinyaniria mwaka muhituku bururi wa Kenya ni wandikithirie agendi milioni 2.4 na mbere atanyite kuongerereka na gukinyiria agendi milioni 5 wikinyaniria mwaka wa 2028 na gutanya kungania ciringi Trillioni 1.
And the results speak for themselves today. Our tourism numbers are up by almost 1 million. Our park, people going to the national park have increased from about 2.1 million to 3.26 million.
Udoyo ukinyanire thutha wa thirikari ya Kenya gukinyaniria uhuthiri wa mitambo ya kiriu kuria mundu wothe urabatara visa ya guka Kenya arahuthira mutambo wa kiriu handu-ini ha gwetha motungata maya mawabici-ini ma thirikari mabururi-ini ngurani.
When I had a conversation with the tourism sector before the last election, they told me it is not just numbers that is important. It is what type of numbers. They told me that we want to promote Kenya as an high-end destination so that we can get value for every tourist who comes into Kenya.
Ruto niugite mutambo uyu ni uteithiriirie kuhukia ungumania undu umwe na uhuthiri muru wa kigina undu uria uhonokeirie bururi mabirioni ma mbeca kwa muhiano ruhonge rwa kuramata nyamu rwa KWS ni ruonganirie thirikari kigina gia ciringi bilioni 7.95 mwaka muhituku ukiringithanio na ciringi bilioni 4.5 iria cionganagio hau kabere mbere ya kurugurio kwa mutambo wa kiriu. President niugite kuhitukira kugacira kwa ugendi muingi wa Kenya noguo ukuona mieke ya mawira na wahuri biashara nini magie na mieke ya gwikuria hamwe na kugacirithia sekta ya urimi.
Tourism creates jobs. Tourism supports enterprises. Tourism supports our farmers. And tourism, of course, brands Kenya and makes Kenya what it is. And we have done that consistently.
Kuhana guo president ni eranire kurikirira kwa waki wa nyumba ya micemanio ya kimabũrũri ya Bomas wikinyaniria mweri-ini wa kana mwaka ukite na gutuika ario nyumba ria nene makiria ya micemanio thiini wa mabũrũri ma gĩtarũ kia Afrika ya irathiro na ya gatagati. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV njĩtagwo Gathoni Wang'ang'a.